Hello guys, today I got you two very nice products. First of all, I just showed you one branded Hyundai wireless office keyboard. It has got mouse, it has got keyboard, it's a combo mouse and keyboard, and the stock is right here behind me and the original carton, okay? And if you want to know more details, you can get the tracking, you can get the model number, you can track it in Google. Alright guys, now I got you one more item here. Just now I showed it to you. This is a Bluetooth speaker, a very good weight, and it's nice, it's heavy, it has got a white packaging, and it has got a charging wire, it has got aux cable, and it has got a user guide, okay? And this is the packaging, right? So one office combo keyboard, branded keyboard, and the model number is HYNMK210, okay? Here's the stock here, right here, and this is the mouse and keyboard. I will just open it for you. Right guys, it's provided with a battery for mouse and for keyboard. I think this is for the mouse and this is for the keyboard. Okay, so this is the mouse. And there we go, brand new keyboard.